In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online course in GoHighLevel. We'll build a simple course together, add lessons, and set up a product so you can sell it when you're ready. Start on your company dashboard, then open Memberships. Inside Memberships, head to Courses and choose Products. This is where your courses live and where you manage the structure of what students will see. Click Create New Course. This feature launches the course builder so you can configure the basics: title, description, visuals, and access, before adding lessons. Choose Start from Scratch. For the title, type Digital Marketing Masterclass. A clear title helps learners immediately understand the focus and shows up anywhere the course is listed. Add a concise course description next. This is essential for setting expectations, highlighting outcomes, and improving discoverability. Think of it as your promise of value. Upload a thumbnail image. A compelling thumbnail increases clicks and trust, and it keeps your course library looking polished. Aim for a clean graphic or photo that represents the topic at a glance. Click Set Up Pricing, and for now choose Free. Starting free is a helpful default while you're building. It lets you preview the experience and share test access without payments in the way. You can change pricing later. When those basics look good, click Create Course. With the shell created, add content and choose Add Lesson. Title the first lesson: Introduction. An introduction orients students, explains how the course is structured, and tells them what to expect. Select a module and choose Course Contents. Make sure you already have a module in place. Course Contents is a great default. Then click Create Lesson. Add another content item, and add lesson again. Title this one Course Overview. An overview helps learners see the roadmap, understand prerequisites, and gauge how long each section might take. Select the same module, Course Contents, and create lesson. Add content one more time and choose Add Lesson. Title it Setting Up Your Ads Account. This kind of foundational, hands-on lesson prevents roadblocks later when students start executing. Select the Course Contents module, then create lesson. Now go to Payments, open Products, and click Create Product to sell your digital marketing masterclass. Enter the same title to keep naming consistent. Set the price as one time, then type your amount. Optionally add a Compare At price. This shows the original price to highlight a discount or anchor the value. Click Save. That's it. You've created an online course in GoHighLevel and set up a product to sell it. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.